Now that we've just done our harvest, welcome back to another video. I was thinking that you'd probably like to see how to collect the seeds out of this fully ripe cucumber. I showed you during the growing season this cucumber at different stages as it was ripening up. And now we'll get the seeds out of it. I did this video last year when I was a little more inexperienced both with getting the seeds out of this and YouTube. I think this is a little hard. Well, I'll cut down through fairly well. So here's what we have. And if you pick them early, you can see all the spaces. There's no seeds. If you look closely, there's the embryo of a seed just starting in each space. You can just squeeze it. And most of your seeds will pop right out. Now I'll cut it in a quarter again. I'm going to zoom you in. And first I'll show you now. So this is the other half. If you just squeeze the sides, the seeds will come right out. So I'll turn it upside down, give it a good hard squeeze. And now you can see a lot of the empty slots, see? But I'll cut this other one into half again, so I've got a quarter of the cucumber. And all your seeds just pop right out. Take this other one. Cut it in half again, just to make sure we have all the seeds. But you see, from the first time I squeezed it in half, get all those out, and there's not many there either. See if there's anything. There's some coming out as I run my thumb down there. Some more pops out from in behind. Very, very easy to get the seeds out of these. Now I scraped these seeds, put them in this bottle. And what I want to do is wash off as much of the flesh of the cucumber as I can. So I'll put them in there with some water, put the lid on and give it a good shake. take the strainer. Now I'm going to do that again. Cucumber seeds don't stick together like the tomato seeds do. So it's easy to just spread them out and let them dry. But now, not on a hard surface like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on a window screen, and I'll spread them out on there, and I'll let them dry, and then I will test them again to make sure any that looks to be not fully developed I will discard and just keep the ones that look fully developed. But that's quite a few cucumber seeds. I spread them out and let them dry. Of course, with the flesh that was around them, they kind of stuck onto the screen now. This blade is kind of curved, so it should do well for getting them up without cutting them. Now, one would think they would just all fall apart if I rub them around. They're coming apart fairly well. I'm going to leave these here for another couple of days, and I will a couple times come by and do this to make sure that they're all dry and separated. This being a learning experience, as you go forward and try to save seed from each new crop, you have to then find out at what point the seeds should be fully mature. And I still have seed from the packet I bought from Morton Early. So here is the seed. You can see no dent in it, just fully plump seed. So that's what I got in the packet. The greater percentage of these seeds, you see that dent? So this seed is not fully developed. I have some like this, where the dent is very small and on one end. This seed might be viable. So, I think I picked this cucumber too early. And had I known exactly when they were supposed to be, they would be ripe, then I would have let it go. Maybe even for another month, because you can let them go right until frost, for that matter. Here's a fairly plump one. And then pick them when the frost comes so that you won't have rotting seed out in the field. I have a couple more out in the field. I'll let one of them go to ripen. Hopefully it still has time to ripen. And also I have that bush crop one. So if I get them fully ripened and good seed, then I'll put up another little short video about what they look like when they are actually completely ripe. I hope you found that interesting and informative. Hit the like button for me on the way out, and I'll see you in the next video.